Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dorable, how to create your website for your home automation business on Dorable, easy and quick. So first of all, let's type Dorable in the search. As we know, Dorable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So as we know, also you can build this website in just 30 seconds with AI. So also we know that this AI website builder can generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. So first of all, let's sign in. Now let's create new business. So enter your business name. Now select your industry and enter your location. And now choose your website language and let's create this business. So wait a few minutes to generate this website. So first let's go to the first section here. Now edit the header, and if you want to edit the site name from here, if you want to turn this on and upload the file for the logo, also if you want to turn this on and add a label here, also if you want to add a link, so here you can manage your social link settings, and you can add a channel and select the type of the social link, and here add your link, and that's it. So let's save this. If you want to add a section from here, select any section you want. So let's move on to the next section. Edit it from here. Now if you want to change this, just regenerate it and it will be regenerate. If you want to, if you don't like the subtext, you can regenerate it from here. Also the label here, if you want to change it, and here you can add a link. Also here you can turn this on, open link in your page. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the image section. Image section, if you don't like it, you can regenerate it from here. If you want to manage the image position from here, so that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. The next section is the text section. Here you can regenerate the text if you don't like it, or if you want to edit the type of the writing. So let's save this and let's move on. The list section, if you want to edit it from here, if you want to edit this, also if you want to manage your display settings, uh, choose what will be displayed for each list item if you want to turn this on or off. So let's see what's here. If you want to manage your list items, we can also add the list item here and generate image. If you want to generate a title, also if you want to generate content, and if you want to add a label here, and you can select the link. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. This is the testimonials section. If you want to add testimonials here, you can generate a code, can generate a bio. If you want to upload a file here, so let's save this. The next section, this is the gallery section. If you want to edit this, if you want to change it, also if you want to generate the image, And if you want to upload a file, upload the image from browser. So let's see, image. Now let's choose some picture from here. I'm gonna choose this, for example. So now let's check this here, and you can add it here. So that's it. Or if you want to choose it from here, so let's choose this, for example. So now let's save this and let's go to the to the next section. This is the location section if you want to edit from here, and if you want to edit this, also if you want to change your business address, and here you can add additional text file if you want to add a title or content. So let's save this and let's move on. This is the contact form section. If you want to regenerate the text or manage the type of the text, the writing. If you want to manage files here, if you want to turn this on and manage this custom input label settings. Also here if you want to generate the form success message. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the footer, the last section on the website. If you want to change your business name from here, if you want to turn this on and upload a file, if you want to add additional details, and if you want to turn this on and add a label, I'm gonna turn this off. If you want to manage your social links, you can turn this on or off. Also if you want to add a channel, you can select just the type of the social link, and you can add a link here. So let's save this. If you want to regenerate any content of this section, just select the content. Also if you want to regenerate the style of the section, just select the style and it will be regenerated. If you want to regenerate the entire section, if you don't like it, just select entire section. So let's save this. Now wait a few seconds and you can publish your website. Now you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.